Right, we're back at the Goss again, and Ian's found a wee wren's nest. Oh, my bad. Can't get it on the camera right enough, aye. It's hard to get on the camera, but we can just make out eggs in it. Don't know how many there is, but you can see tucked in a wee branchy gorse. This is a bit we usually come, we find a lot here. Song thrush, blackbirds and stuff, but everything's been predated, isn't it, Ian?
Nothing makes it.
Aye.
I don't know why
Like literally every nest we've found here this year that we've found has been predated. Yeah. Every single one. So hopefully this wee wren makes it, but I'll get away and leave the place alone. So, but there is eggs, but I can just see them and no more, but can't make that out with the camera. So there you go. No, I never seen anything. Right, we've got a wee nest of gems here. Here's a wee look. I've never seen the bird or that, so she's obviously no finished laying. Yeah, I've got a wee dunnock's nest here with 3 eggs. View that. Sorry guys. There you go. Beautiful wee nest. Tucked away under the gorse again. Maybe look quite obvious for here, but it is actually in no a bad bit. Right, I found a long-tailed tit's nest with chicks in it. But my battery's too bloody low that I can't get my torch to work. Ian, you got your phone there. Sorry guys, you can just see a wee bum in there. A tiny wee hole. Yeah. See this work there. You need to bear with me here guys, because I'm trying to work 2 phones at once. It's not working, I can't seem to get where I need to get to. You can just maybe see. Yeah, it's the best I can get guys. But sorry about all that rustling about. Beautiful wee nest. Tucked right in the gorse, that should be safe. So that's good. A wee update on the blackbird nest with chicks in it. They look like they could fledge in the next couple of days. We've had a lot of predation this year that we've witnessed, but this is looking like it might be a success story, so that's good news. Right, I've come along this sort of wee meadow area, and I've come up the side of the fence line, a lot of hawthorns and some gorse and stuff. There's a pond just over the back here as well. I came across this big gorse bush here. Hang on a second, I put my stick down, sorry about that. And I've found a song thrush nest with chicks in it that look a decent size. If I can try and show you it. Absolutely beautiful. I can make out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stunning wee chicks. Look like they're coming on great. Fantastic news. Every song thrush nest I've found this season has been predated, but this one certainly hasn't. Fantastic. Right, that's the rain coming on, so I'll switch off there. Right guys, we're just next to the swan pond that we videoed earlier on a few weeks back. This is just a wee trail that runs down side it, and it's surrounded, as you can see, the side of the trail by these sort of leafy trees and stuff. We're just walking along and we came across a bullfinch nest with an egg in it. I'll give you a wee look. Bear with me a second, you can see the nest there. I'll get a better angle and show you. Stunning wee nest compiled of mostly sticks, fine twigs. Stunning wee blue egg with a maroony red markings towards the top end. That's a first find for us, so we're really happy with that. So I'll pull away and leave it be. That's magic. Right guys, we're back over the gorse again. See what we can find. Found another bullfinch nest, not in a gorse bush. Looks like a gorse, but it's like a, I don't know what it's called, but we call it a false gorse. I'll show you, got another bullfinch nest with one egg in it, so the timing's quite similar. I'll show you. Bullfinch nest, very twiggy, very shallow cup. Doesn't use really moss like the chaffinch or goldfinch would use. It's mostly twigs and sticks. So hopefully she'll do okay, but I have to be honest, it is quite exposed. You can see it there still. The egg just sticks out a mile, but hopefully she'll do okay. Sorry for the poor quality guys, but hopefully you can just make that out in the centre. That's a bullfinch sitting on a nest. Again, apologies for the picture quality, but hopefully you can see that. Right, I'll get away, don't want to disturb her.